Hello and welcome to the IT Source YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can change the look and feel of Google Chrome. So if you open up Google Chrome and then if you go to the top right and see the three little dots, you just click that, and then if you go down to settings, we want to go to appearance. Now in here you can change the theme, so if we click theme and we'll go with dark mode because it's the best mode. And in here you can change all the colours you want and it will be saved to your Google profile. So if you signed in, if you have multiple Google profiles, you can set them individually. You can have any of the presets, or you can even pick your own colour. But I'm just going to go with this one for now. So you can either have dark mode, you can do the same in light mode if that's what you prefer. You have the presets again, and you can also change it to a custom colour. So I'm going to stick with dark mode, and then this is a new part. So if you click the toolbar, you can enable or disable things that you want to see up here. So we could enable home, you can see there. If we can enable the new incognito window, which is just easier if you want to open a new incognito window. You can do the same with Google Password Manager, payment methods, addresses and more, bookmarks, reading list, history, or delete browsing data. It's just basically a quicker way to access things in the settings. And you can do all this stuff down here. Developer tools is a handy one for troubleshooting, if that's what you need to do. So yeah, you can customize it any way that you want. It's all down to personal preference. It's best to enable things that you're going to be using regularly. I don't use the majority of these, so I'm going to keep them disabled. When you finish customizing, if you, for whatever reason, you want to go back to the defaults, you just come over here and just hit reset to default, and it'll go back to how it was when it was first installed. You can do the same with the theme, just press reset to default, and it'll just go back to dark mode. So yep, that's pretty much it. If this video has helped you in any way, let me know down in the comments. And as always, any suggestions on what video I should do next, just let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.